All right, really quickly, I just wanted to show you where to find the assignments and how to submit the assignments in AP Biology. So first, at the very top, you have the Lessons button. It looks like a little book. Next to that, we have the Assessments tray. This is actually where you will turn in your work or complete quizzes or exams. The check mark represents your gradebook. That's how you access your gradebook for the course. The home button, obviously, is the home button. It's going to take you back to the home. And then our hamburger menu is our main menu. This is where you're going to find all of the important things that you may need for the class also. Most of these are hyperlinked too, so you'll be able to get to them. And then obviously this is the email button. If I ever send feedback on an assignment, that needs to be fixed. If you got less than passing, it'll go to your email, so check there. So first I'm going to go ahead and click on Lessons. And we'll take a look. If you're working in semester 1 or segment 1, you're going to start with module 1. If you're working in semester 2 or segment 2, then you're going to start on module 5. So here we're going to start module 1, and down here segment 2 starts on module 5. So we're going to go ahead and click on Chemistry of Life. And here's a list of all of the lessons. So you'll want to work through each of these lessons for completing the assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into 1.01. Okay, and so you're going to read through the content on each of the pages. It will refer you to your e-text. So if you have not set up your textbook, you do need to do that, and I can help you with that if you need help. But this tells you which sections of the book you need to read for additional information. So this is your assigned reading. Again, that's in a green box. Kind of gives you some main topics of what we're looking through. I'm going to skip ahead. Again, going through textbooks, textbook links and information. Again, I'm going to skip ahead to the last page in the lesson because that's where they give us the wrap-up information and the assignment. So it says here the assessment. Okay, so our assessment, you learned about the structure of water. So your assignment is to complete the assigned readings for the section. Yep, we did that. Check your understanding of important concepts. It'll review through the lesson and then complete the 1.01 structure of water and hydrogen bonding quiz. So in order to get there, I'm going to go up to my assignment tray. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that assignment tray. Oh, hopefully you already did the diagnostic exam. That was really the first thing you're supposed to do, and I skipped that, so I apologize. For now, ignore the enrichment assessment number 1. We'll talk about that later. So here, if I'm ready to turn in my 1.01 assignment, I'm going to click on it, and then quiz questions will appear. I think. Yep, here we go. So you would then answer these questions. Okay, so answer your quiz questions. And then at the very end, you have to check the box to say that you're ready to submit it. So check this box to indicate you're ready to submit your exam, and then you would press the Submit Exam button. If you do not check this box, it will not be turned in to me. So just keep in mind you always have to find that box that says check this box to indicate you're ready to submit your exam, and then you may submit it. Now let's go look at Module 5 really fast. So if we're working in Semester 2, we're going to look at another type of assignment that you may have to submit. So I'm going to start in Semester 2 or Segment 2. I know, again, you've got a diagnostic test to take first, but I'm going to jump into Module 5, Lesson 01. And to be honest, I'm just going to skip to the end because I want to show you something. Obviously, you won't just skip to the end. So for this assignment, you actually are going to obviously complete the lesson, but then there's an activity worksheet that you have to download. So you would go ahead and click on that and download the mitosis activity worksheet. That is a Word document, and I'll bring it over here when it opens. It may open, actually you may see it right here. Slowly move it for you. Alright, so here's the activity worksheet. You want to save this to your computer, and then you can edit this file. So first, you're going to use background knowledge, lesson resources, the assigned readings, and you're going to answer these discussion questions. So then for this next piece, you actually have to create models of mitosis and meiosis. Now, if I switch back to the lesson, it'll kind of talk you through this, of how you're going to do this. So it says answer the pre-activity discussion questions on the worksheet. And then you are going to build models based on what you expect to see if you're looking at a cell in the different stages of mitosis and meiosis. So you're actually going to construct three-dimensional objects. You can use clay, pipe cleaners, candy, beads, string, any objects that you've got, paper clips, whatever. Be creative, but you're going to make a model here. And so then you will take a picture of that model and you will put it in the Word document. And you're going to put that picture right here. Make sure you label everything. Then you have some additional questions to answer. When you get towards the end of this section, let's go back. Okay, to the end of this section, you click on this part, karyotype abnormalities. It's got a link to an article about Henrietta Lacks and the HeLa cells. And then you will continue to answer these questions about karyotype abnormalities. Okay, so again, you're just going to complete this Word document. Any section that has questions, you're going to make sure you answer those. Once you have saved this file and it is finished, okay, it says we're going to go down to our assignment section, complete that activity worksheet and submit it. So then I'm going to go back up to my assignment tray. And this would be true whether you're in semester 1 or semester 2 when you have a file that you're going to upload. So I'm going to go find this assignment, and you'll see it says assignment next to it instead of exam. Exams are quizzes. For this one, I'm going to click on it, and our screen looks a little bit different. But what'll happen is assignment hint. Drawings are not models, just a reminder. Okay, so then what you would do is you would actually go down here and select the files. So you click this button that says Add Files to pull up your file system, and then you're going to insert the file that you have saved. Make sure it's saved when you're finished. Insert that file, and then down here you're going to click Submit for Grading. Notice it says Save for Later right now, but as soon as I check Submit for Grading, my blue button in the corner changes and it says Submit for Grading. But if I don't check that box, it just says Save for Later, and that never gets to me to grade. Okay, so that is a quick overview of how to submit assignments in AP Biology. If you have any other questions, please give me a call or send me a text. All right, good luck. Bye.